What's up guys, welcome to How Much YouTube channel. My name is Idan and today I'm going to review the Roborock F25 vacuum wet and dry steam machine, okay? Let me tell you the story about why am I reviewing this and how do I got here. So the first video review I did for the Roborock Q Revo, that's a vacuum robot, and they sent it to me. Overall, I really liked the machine. I thought it was worth it because then you don't have to get it made, you don't have to clean as much. Now this one is $600, $599.99. So they did send it to me for free, but I am gonna be honest and see, is it gonna be worth it? All right guys, let's unbox it together, see what's going on. Okay, so we got the liquid over here. That's the floor cleaning solution. Those are special cleaning supplies for this device. There's some sort of a brush. It's heavy. I'm gonna put it onto the side for now. Here is the top piece. The handle goes right here, I'm guessing. Oh yeah, all right, very nice. It looks like we have some sort of a roller, and we have a filter and a cable. That's the instructions. You should probably read that. So we have the stand here. I guess I can put it next to the Roborock. It's nice to have them right next to each other. The Roborock robot, and that's the handheld one. This one goes right in. And clicks here, I'm guessing. Oh yeah, like that. Okay, just like that. There's a little piece of paper here, we'll take that out. Also for the wheels. Oh yeah, so there's an extra filter that it comes with. So this one goes here to charge. I'll let it charge for a little bit, 59% battery. Let's charge for a little bit and refill the water too. Let's give this a try, so. Oh, it's not too heavy.
Please unlock the cleaner head before starting. Steam mode.
Oh, and you know what? It's kind of amazing. How can I explain? It always wants to go forward a little bit. It's almost like it doesn't weigh anything. I'm kind of impressed. I'm not putting any pressure to make this move. This moves on its own. This is cool. Okay, let's see how it does with the stains. Those stains are pretty bad. Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, this is... Okay, so I didn't know, I thought the whole wheel thing was kind of like nonsense, you know, like a waste of time or waste of money. But this wheel thing makes the whole machine what it is, right? And I can move it a little bit like this, see that? To kind of move it. And it does take all the stains, but some stains take a little bit of time, a little patience. Yeah, so the fact that it's pushing it for you like this, look, one finger here. One finger operation, that's what they should advertise. Let's remove this. That's the dirty water tank. I'm gonna empty it. Let's see how it looks like, okay? Look how dark that is. So that was your floor and now it's here. I'm honestly impressed with this machine. It is so easy to push back and forth. As soon as you kind of like nudge it, it goes by its own. So if for an old person or someone who doesn't want to use a lot of force, it's very easy. Also, it's a heavy machine, so it's a very big benefit to make it easy. It also cleans pretty well. Anything like really deep old stains, it's still, you have to go over it a few times, eventually we'll get it. Pretty good. I'm actually very, very impressed, and I understand where that $600 came in. Would I buy one? No, it doesn't fit me. I don't really care about allergies or stuff like that. I have my robot does most of the work, and if anything else, I can go over the rest myself. But it's for people who really want perfect steam clean floor all the time, like gym freaks. It's perfect for them. This is the thing for them. I leave the link below right there if you want to grab one. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys next time. Bye bye.